Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Malkesh Singh Academy. In today's videos guys, I'm going to share with you that how you can get Canva for education totally free. So if you want to use the premium features of Canva, you can apply for Canva for education. So you have to provide some basic details of yours. If you are a teacher, then of course you can use the Canva for education totally free, in which you can have access to millions of photographs and all the premium features of Canva. So let's start this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start this video guys. So here guys, you can see that this is my Gmail. So this is my school email ID, so on which I have received this confirmation that this Canva for education is assigned to me, so that has been approved. So now I can access to millions of premium images, fonts, videos and all that comes in Canva Pro. So this is a kind of a very good thing that for teachers. So because I use Canva a lot, so daily I use Canva for different things. Similarly, you can use Canva application for various purposes like creating thumbnails or making presentations. So if you have this Pro version, which is totally free for education, so you can also take the benefit of all the creatives you can create. So here you can see, if I search in my Canva for education YouTube thumbnail, so let me show you that here you can, this particular creative, this thumbnail, you can see it is free here. Now if I switch back to a like unpaid or trial version of Canva, so this same thumbnail is going to be like you have to pay for that. Here you can see the Pro version here. So this is a very useful thing for me as a teacher, so I can edit all the creatives. So here you can see Pro, and so if I search something else like creating webinar, so in the Pro version you have to pay. Here you can see all the creators which are very useful, you have to pay. But if you have a Canva for education, then you can easily use them. So you can see all of them are free here. Just edit it and just upload and change the text here, font here, and you are ready to go. So if you are using Canva, then you know the various features of Canva. But I have created a long video or a complete tutorial about that, how you can use it for your own purpose in mobile. So at the description I will share my video link, so you can check that out. So similar thing happens with the certificate. So in the non-pro, here you can see all these good kind of certificates you have to pay. But in the paid or Canva for education, these premium certificates. So this is my Pro, so this is my education. So here you can see all the premium certificates that are all free, so you can edit them, use them. So now don't worry about the paying the fee for the Canva, these premium certificates. So how you can sign up for this free education account? So in the Google, you have to sign up from your ID. So specifically about your school ID, so you have to sign up from there. So you have to log in with the email ID. So I'm using this for demonstration, so I'm going to click on login with Google, because our school has on G Suite, so that is why I have signed up through the G Suite or Gmail account. So here guys, you have to write your email ID. So this is my email ID, and because you have to provide certain like certificates or your ID card, I have used my ID card for this purpose. So similarly you can do that. So I have signed up for this trial account. So here at the top you can see the pricing. So here there is a free, Pro, enterprise and education. And if I click on this pricing again, so this is my email ID, but you have to use your school email ID. So if I go again to the pricing, here you can see the education, so you have to click here. So for applying Canva for education, you have to use this education here. So you have to click on sign up now. So you have to apply as a teacher. So I'm going to click on sign up now, and here another window will open up here, and you have to click on get verified now. And probably this Canva take almost 2 weeks or maybe month or 2 months, depending upon the certificates or things you have provided to them. So in the first name, last name, and your email ID has already been added. So your school name, so you have to write the complete school name and your school website, and I'm just typing anything here, but you have to type in your school ID. So click on continue, and here guys you have to add all the documents. So I have used my ID card here, but it took a lot of time, like 2 months for me. But if you provide some more confirming or kind of certificates, then you can get this confirmation very soon. So this is the confirmation you will get from the Canva, so that you are eligible and you are being approved. So that is all guys. So this is a very great application, and I have already told you that I created a complete tutorial how to use this Canva mobile app, so specifically for mobile. So I have explained every step and every tools that are used in Canva. So that's all for this video guys. Hope you have liked my video, so don't forget to subscribe. See you soon guys. Bye bye.